This is Brian Young. We're doing videos now for our eBay site. Everything I sell on eBay, we're going to be selling, and I'm showing you videos of what you're buying. What you're doing here, you're getting, basically, I've got 18 different tanks. They're 144 scale, and they're really cool. You get basically 2 tanks per box, okay? You get the decals, you get everything in the box for 2 tanks. And check my eBay site for the price. They're phenomenal. But basically, you're getting 2 little tanks. Okay? You snap them together, you glue them together. You get one on the top, one on the bottom. And I've got like 18 tanks. These are just fun to build and build a big army. So don't forget my mini tanks. And they're made by, what is it called? The Mini Hobby Models. Okay, and they got the instructions on the back, plus they got some decals. And I mean, these are like $7.95, and I've got them on eBay at just a phenomenal low price. So get them on eBay and have fun.